Ladies first, so Aradhana Jagota, the one who's playing this very interesting character of Jyoti Chauhan, which has this empowerment. She'll speak about the film first. So, Jyoti, what you have to say about the film?
Thank you, Satya. The name of our film is Carry On Kutto. It's a coming-of-age romantic comedy. Basically, it's about these four different characters who are struggling, they're these four different characters in a small town. So we've tried to show the youngster life of a small town. छोटे शहर के लोगों की youngster life कैसे होती है? Usually we show कुछ कुछ होता है or a student of the year which is about a metro city, which is about a HEP school or college. In my knowledge, that shows the fun, the youngster, the quirky side of school college kids of a small town. So yeah, we are doing something new as regards with that. But apart from that, it's a very grey film. There's a lot of dark humor in the film. The dialogues are fantastic, and it's a fun film to watch. I'm sure once you get into the theater, after the first scene, you'll just go with the flow. That's what I feel regarding our film. Here's over to you, Karan.
Yeah, it's a great film, and now once you get inside the theater, you watch it for 5 minutes, then you are so hooked to the story that you don't want to get up. And once you finish the film and you get up and you're not disappointed, it's like very fun film.
Yeah, the thing is, if I talk about me individually, I was born and brought up in this place called Bilaspur. So till 16 years of my life I have spent over there, and then I came to Mumbai to become an actor. So I've seen both the aspect of, I've seen the small town and the urban side. So for me it was not very difficult, but I'm not the character which I'm playing, Carey. So I had to, get the nuances, the body language, the physicality, the way he's going to look, that right. So yeah, those were the things which we really had to work on. But dialect, we've used the dialect of basically UP, बलिया, वहाँ का जो बोलने का एक तरीका है, एक जो लहजा है, वो हमने इस्तेमाल किया है. और ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जो हर किसी को समझ आएगी. और हिमांशु ओमकार त्रिपाठी जो फिल्म के डायलॉग राइटर हैं, उन्होंने बहुत ही quirky, funny डायलॉग्स लिखे. यानी after a long time I've read something like this, and yes, I cracked up after reading this whatever dialogues I got on set, and he used to be on set, so we improvised a lot. So in terms of language, I think मेरी preparation इतनी थी कि we used to be on our toes constantly. Yeah.
I had to prepare a lot when it came to the dialect because I'm a Delhi girl. I'm born and brought up in Delhi, and I didn't even have any friends who were from small towns. I did not hear that dialect, a UP dialect as we say, what we have used in the film. So to get into the skin of the character, to absorb that dialect within me, we had a 15-day workshop in Lucknow. In those 15 days, we never sat and read the pages of the script and memorized it. No, we never did that. I met quite a lot of girls in that age bracket the character that I play, in the same age bracket, who were government school-going girls. So I observed their nuances, I observed their body language, I saw how they speak, what are, their thoughts, their ideologies, and that's how I formed the character in my head. Also, over there I went to a lot of local markets, saw how people speak, the vegetable selling ladies and the vendors in general, unko observe karke. And one thing that really helped me to catch the cleaning lady that used to come to the place where we stayed in Lucknow, unko observe karke maine dialect काफी catch किया, and that's Jyoti Chauhan in my head.
Yeah, for me, it was really it was a little difficult to to talk in that language and that dialect. I also had to observe a lot of people, and we were shooting in Lucknow, so 15 din ki workshop mein we went around, we were observing everybody, talking to everybody, we were just trying to understand people who were there. या एंड जिस तरह से स्टोरी थी, फिर अपना ही थोड़ा हमने काम करके तो थोड़ा समझ के उसको, सो वी डिड द कैरेक्टर. या
Yeah, शुरू कर.
USP of the film is this film itself is a very unique film, and you don't have a reference to this film, and it's a great story. ऐसी फिल्म काफी सालों में मुझे लगता है कि एक बार आती है, क्योंकि काफी टाइम से ऐसी कैरी ऑन कुत्तों जैसी फिल्म अभी तक नहीं आई है. थोड़ी अलग है, डिफरेंट है, और कुछ ज्यादा एग्जैजरेशन नहीं है. एक सिंपल स्टोरी टेलिंग है. हमारे डायरेक्टर का विजन बहुत क्लियर था इसको लेके कि हम लोग एक ऐसी कहानी बताने वाले हैं जो कि डिफरेंट है. और जब हमें बताया था, एंड वी वर लाइक, you know, we were so hooked on to the story that we were like, oh yeah, it's going to be something great.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think जो फिल्म के कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जो कैरेक्टराइजेशन है, वो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. सारे के सारे कैरेक्टर्स की अपनी एक इंडिविजुअलिटी है. नो कैरेक्टर इज लाइक द अदर कैरेक्टर इन द फिल्म. तो बहुत ही डिस्टिंक्टली सबका एक मैनरिज्म, द वे दे लुक, द वे दे कम अक्रॉस, जो सोशल स्ट्रेटा को वो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी डिफरेंट. एट द सेम टाइम ग्रास रूट की फिल्म है बहुत. वो when you show a grassroots small town film, तो कई बार वो थोड़ा सा ग्रिम और थोड़ा सा डार्क जोन में चले जाते हैं. बट our film is a very happy go lucky, at the same time has its grey side but in a very quirky humorous way. तो वो सारी चीजें हैं जो बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे शायद मेरे कैरेक्टर के साथ कोई ट्रेजेडी हो रही है, लेकिन आपको हंसी आने लगेगी, क्योंकि that's how it has been portrayed, that is the way it has been shown. So yeah, that is the fun part of the film, and the dialogues and the way we've shot the film, the music, technically it's a very sound film. So सारी चीजें, you know, has come together to make this really fabulous film called Carry On Kuttu. And I think the USP is, while we were making the film, I think the entire team is, everybody was under 30. Like, you know, my producer was 29, we were 23, 24, director was 28. So we had this really mad, crazy energy on set, and there were no protocols or you know, hierarchy ki, okay, he's my sir or he's everybody who had a good idea used to, you know, discuss about it. We used to make the most out of it and do the best for the film. There was no hidden agenda behind anyone कि हाँ यार इसको स्टार बनाना है, ये हीरो है पिक्चर का. कहानी अपने आप में हीरो है फिल्म की, और फिल्म के जो डायलॉग्स हैं वो फिल्म को ऐसे ड्राइव करते हैं कि there's no stopping once the film starts. Yep.
How was it working with your director, Mr. Ashok Yadav?
It was great working with Ashok Yadav. It's his first film also as a director. It's his debut, and the same way it's my debut as an actor. It's my first film. Ashok, as a director, he gave a lot of space to us actors. That he never told us that, okay, this is the script, this is the scene, stick to it. No, he always told us that, okay, this is the scene, but tell me what you can bring out, you know, to the table, what
Yeah.
you can add to this scene as your character.
Correct.
And by the time we started shooting, all of us,
Yeah.
if Satya, Karan, me, Aditya, all of us were so involved in our characters, we were living our characters, we understood our characters, that whenever we used to shoot a scene, we used to improvise a lot. We
Yeah.
used to, you know, just say something out of, not a part of the script, but since we were in that zone, we could be able to do it beautifully, and we created magic. So I'm glad that my first film came out with a, you know, with a director like Ashok, who gives so much of liberty to us actors to perform.
आई थिंक जो राधा ने कहा वो बहुत ही सही चीज है कि एज एन एक्टर, देखिए, जब आप एक बहुत, आप ड्राइविंग फोर्स है फिल्म का, आप अगर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट किरदार कर रहे हैं, तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड जब आपका डायरेक्टर आप पे ट्रस्ट करता है, आपको कहता है कि यार आई नो यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट, तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है. साथ में यू हैव दिस फीलिंग कि हाँ यार, now I have to take it forward. If he's expecting 100% from me, I need to give it more.
Yeah.
I need to come up with something more interesting, maybe funny, completely on the demand of the scene, on that particular moment, what is required as an actor. So all of us in the process, we completely surrendered ourselves. हमने अपने आप को पूरी तरीके से फिल्म के लिए छोड़ दिया था कि यार now I'm Carey, she's not Aradhana, she's Jyoti. Karan is Kadambari. Everybody was living their character to the T. It was not like कि यार हम अच्छा in and out हो रहे हैं. We were living that life. It was, we created that world for ourselves for that point of time.
या अशोक इज अ ग्रेट डायरेक्टर. उसका एक हमेशा ही एक अलग लेवल रहता है स्टोरी टेलिंग को लेके, जितना मैंने उसको जाना है इस फिल्म के दौरान. और प्लस आई थिंक द लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑल द एक्टर्स, as it is my first film, and I was, but the mutual collaboration and the effort of all the actors around me was great. सब लोग इतना अच्छी तरह हम इस फिल्म को समझे हैं, और इतना अच्छा, the film is good because everybody worked as a team. Yes, yeah.
Okay, Satyajit, we heard you had to lose weight for this role. How difficult was that?
Well, it wasn't difficult at all. Yeah, the thing is, okay, when you put a goal, when you put an image in front of me as an actor, that okay, in the given amount of time I have to achieve that. So something happens, there's this flip kind of a thing which happens. So I went crazy completely with my diet. I had no nutritionist looking after me or any, for that matter, trainer. I just knew that from looking slightly muscular and bulky, I have to go to 61 kgs or maybe 60 kgs. So I started running a lot. I started running 7 to 10 kilometers a day. I just used to survive on few egg whites, kuch kheera kha liya, ya, loved myself, and I just used to run. And I don't know where that mad energy was coming from, but and this character is full of energy. There were days when I used to feel low because there was not much of a carb intake. Like I was not having proper food. But maybe the story, maybe the character, because I was so excited to be Carrie, to play Carrie, to make him come alive. It just inspired me, it motivated me, and it just happened. I think when you have that image in front of you, I have to do justice to this part, it happens. It's some kind of a magic, I think.
Who does Jyoti pair best with?
Well, you have to ask her.
Oh God. I think Jyoti pairs best with her own self, because she as a character is very individualistic and materialistic, and she only thinks about herself. Yes, she also has an innocent side to her, but I think she only thinks about herself. So Baki, I think once the audiences watch, they are the right ones to decide that who does she pair best with.
The fact is कि यार हर कैरेक्टर ना कैरी ऑन कर रहा है, यानी हर किसी का अपना एक एजेंडा है, हर किसी को अपना उल्लू सीधा करना है, हर किसी का एक अपना मतलब है, और हर इंसान उस मतलब के पीछे भाग रहा है. कोई किसी इंसान के पीछे नहीं भाग रहा है. कैरी का मतलब है कि he wants to get laid, तो वो उसके पीछे भाग रहा है. अब चाहे वो ज्योति है वो कोई और हो, वो खाली उसके पीछे भागेगा. ज्योति का एक है कि यार दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट इन माय, कैरी से मिले या किसी XYZ से मिले. सूरज का अपना एक एजेंडा है जो चल रहा है. ही इज इन दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट व्हिच आई थिंक ही विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन बेटर.
सूरज एक अलग सा कैरेक्टर है. अलग सा कैरेक्टर है, और उसके अपनी चीजों के साथ वो थोड़े इस फिल्म में, इस कहानी में अपनी एक अलग छोटे मोटे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स के साथ वो डील कर रहा है. और एज जो हमारी फिल्म का बैकड्रॉप है, वो एक छोटा शहर बलिया है, लेकिन जो इसमें एक इमोशनल कनेक्टिविटी है, और मे बी जो भी फन कनेक्टिविटी है, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन लाइक द होल ऑफ इंडिया. वे सिर्फ बलिया की कहानी नहीं है, जम्मू कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक हर इंसान के इमोशंस आर लाइक यूनिवर्सल, मैन.
The dialect changes, maybe the language changes, but the attitude remains the same.
सेम, यस. सिर्फ हमारी भाषा थोड़ी अलग है इसमें, लेकिन हमारा जो कहानी कहने का जो तरीका है, दैट इज आई थिंक ऑसम, मैन.
Yeah.
Tell our viewers why they should go and watch this movie.
Everybody should definitely come and watch this film because it's a great film. एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म. आप बिल्कुल भी एक सेकंड के लिए बोर नहीं होंगे और इसमें बिल्कुल भी कोई आपका समय बर्बाद नहीं होगा देखने में या हमें कहानी बताने में. और बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है. आप देखेंगे तो जब आपको पता लगेगा. एंड वी हैड लाइक अ ग्रेट टाइम शूटिंग दिस फिल्म. एंड ओवर टू यू.
I feel viewers should come and watch this film because once you enter the movie hall, you will just flow into the film. After the first scene, you'll get so engrossed that you'll just be sitting and laughing your ass off. That's why I feel you should come and watch the film because after, you know, having to deal with stress of all different kinds in your life, you need a source to relieve that tension, to have a good laugh, to have a good time. So those 2 hours will be that good laugh and good time for you.
The thing is, for all the intellectuals, वहाँ पे कुछ dose है कि थोड़ा intellectualism and there is some between the text and all that. That is there. And जिन्हें खाली मस्ती करनी है, dialogue बाजी करके enjoy करना है, वो भी है. तो we have both the elements in our film in abundance, and it's a nice, desi, cool film which will make you laugh and you'll have a great time. Yes, that's why you should go and watch the film. And if you've seen the trailer, then you know what I'm talking about.